Is your TCL Roku TV not turning on suddenly? Even if you press the power button on the remote or on your TV, it won't power on? Well, don't worry. Try these quick fixes, starting with the most effective one that solves the issue for many users and gets your TV working once again. So we're going to start with cold boot. Unplug the TV, leave it for about 5 minutes. And while it's unplugged, just flip the TV a bit and you will see a multifunction button in here. Just press and hold this button on the bottom for around 10 seconds. And before plugging it back in, if available, you can try using a direct wall outlet instead of a multi-socket, because some power strips don't provide stable power and the TV may fail to start properly. Now, if the TV still doesn't turn on, just press the physical multifunction button once on the TV. If it turns on this way, the issue is likely with the remote. So in that case, just grab your remote, check the batteries, and replace them if needed. And then try again. If your TV still didn't power on either way, we recommend you to just grab your phone, turn on the flashlight on your smartphone, and just slowly bring it closer to the TV screen. Now, if you can faintly see the picture, but it stays on a black screen, this could indicate a backlight issue, which is, by the way, a hardware problem. You need to take it to a technician. Now, if that's not the issue, before going further, you gotta disconnect all the external devices one by one, including HDMI cable, USB drive, TV boxes, streaming sticks, if those are plugged into your TV. And then try turning the TV on again. Now, if nothing else works, now you can just try a factory reset. But keep in mind, this will erase everything on your TV. So if you're okay with that, you gotta locate the reset pinhole at the back of your TV. Grab a pen or a paper clip, whatever is available to you. Now press and hold this button for exactly 15 seconds. And then just wait. If there is no major hardware issue, the TV should turn on and take you into the setup screen. And then you're going to just go ahead and reset up your TV. If you face any trouble during the reset or while setting up your TV, we have separate videos on factory reset and TV setup. You can watch them if needed for a step-by-step help. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for your time.